The Nightscaping Bistroliter kit is a great way to add more flair to your existing patio bistro lighting. When you receive your kit, you'll first remove the parts from their packaging. The parts are made up of the Bistroliter shade, the clamp, and 2 set screws. The shade and clamp will be boxed separately. To begin the installation, simply place the clamp above the hexagonal part of the bistro socket and then insert the set screw until it's finger tight. Use a 9/64 Allen key to gently snug the screw into place, and be careful not to over tighten it. The Bistroliter shade and the clamp have preformed holes that align for installing the set screw. Simply align the 2 holes and slide the shade into place over the bottom of the clamp. Then, install the set screw. The set screw can be screwed in all the way finger tight with just a slight snugging of the screw with the Allen wrench to keep it in place. Again, be careful not to over tighten it. With the Bistroliter installed, you can freely twist the shade to the desired orientation to provide the best look.